Hello silly bakers, let's make this lemon blueberry ricotta olive oil cake. First we're going to grease and line an 8x4 loaf pan. We're going to grab a large bowl. We're going to add 2 large eggs at room temperature. 3/4 cup of ricotta cheese. Half a cup of raw cane sugar, you can use any sugar you like. Half a cup of olive oil, good quality if you have it. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Two tablespoons of lemon juice plus the zest of 1 lemon. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're just going to give these ingredients a good whisk. You can also replace the ricotta cheese with Greek yogurt. And now let's add our 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And just take about 15 to 20 seconds to incorporate the baking powder really well in the wet ingredients. We're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, this is organic, and half a cup of almond flour. And using a spatula, we're just going to mix this until you see just a few streaks of flour. And we're going to add our blueberries, 3/4 cup to 1 cup of frozen or fresh blueberries. And just gently incorporate them into the batter, don't overmix here. So I've added it to my baking pan. I'm just going to smooth out the top, and we're just going to add a couple little crunchy elements here. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of flaky almonds. You can skip this step if you like. And I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of raw sugar. Again, you can omit this if you like. We're going to bake this at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And it smells incredible. Enjoy this lemon blueberry ricotta olive oil cake. It has an incredible crumb to the cake. It is moist. It is so flavorful with that olive oil and so easy to make. It's a great quick dessert to make if you have last minute guests. It's delicious. Enjoy.